Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrost controls. So while the vehicle's on, this activates your rear defrost. So now it's activated and then it's off. And then for your front, it's going to be these two settings. So this one just blows air straight onto the windshield, whereas this one blows it on the windshield as well as your feet. So let's say you've got it blown on just these vents up here along the glass. You can adjust it now to blow cold or switch this around to hot, whatever temperature makes the most sense. Usually you want it hot if you're trying to melt ice and things, and even if you've got it on these hot settings, you still may want the AC activated, just because that AC system can pull moisture out of the air, which will keep it from fogging up. And this front one is all controlled by your fan speed, so if you want it to blow faster or lower, you can adjust it here. And when you're finished with this front, you can either turn the fan all the way off or just flip this to a different setting so it's no longer on your front defrost. And then for your rear, when that's activated, the way that works, if you can see in the camera, there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So when you've got this rear on, it activates those heating mechanisms to melt any ice or anything that might be building up on your rear windshield. And again, click that again to turn it off. And if you're having issues with these working at all, first I'd probably check fuses. Maybe could be a fuse burnt out that's making this inoperable. If not, maybe check with a scan tool, see if there's any codes that might lead you to something that needs repaired or replaced. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.